Hi, thanks for joining me today. My name is Haley and I'm the children's specialist at the Tewksbury Public Library. And for today's Sprouts craft, we are making cardboard cups. Let's get started. For this craft, you will need a pre-cut cardboard tube, a cardboard loop, glue, and some markers to decorate. The first step is to take your pre-cut cardboard tube and bend the cut tabs down. So you're going to bend it down like this. And as you bend them down, you can either bend them all first to make sure you like how they fit together, or you can bend them individually. Then you're going to glue them down. So open up your glue. I'll bend the first one down and add some glue on top of it. Now that I've got some glue there, bend this one down. Make sure it sticks. You can poke some fingers through here so you can push on the other side. Really push those pieces together. Make sure that's glued down. Then add some more glue up top. You're going to bend the next tab down. Again, you can push some fingers through the tube if you want. Bend it down like this. Add some pressure on both sides. Once that's nice and glued down, I'm going to glue our last piece down. So add some glue up top and glue that last piece down. I'm going to add some extra glue, really make sure it sticks. Now if something becomes unglued like it just did here, just add some more glue and press down again. You can use stronger glue too if the stick glue isn't working for you. Alright, so I'm gonna push down, really try and get that to stick. And when it's all stuck together, you've got your cup. Finish gluing your cup, we're going to make the handle next. So this is your cardboard loop. You can adjust how big or small you want the handle depending on how much you roll these two pieces together. I think I want my handle a little bit smaller. So I'm going to do something like that. Yeah. Alright, so you can either add glue or staple these two pieces together. I'm going to add glue. Now, as we saw with the first part of this, glue and cardboard don't seem to stick very well. So, make sure you really hold those two pieces together. Add lots of pressure with your finger. Make sure you've really got those pieces stuck. I'm going to hold it there for 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, it looks like those two pieces are stuck together now. Now I'm going to glue the handle to my cup and then we will decorate. So I'm going to choose a side. I'm going to choose this side because I'm right-handed. So I'm going to put it on the right side here so I can easily pick it up. And once again, remember to hold it there for 10 seconds or more. Add lots of glue and hold it there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, looks like it's stuck on, so we've got our cup. Nice job. Now it's time to decorate. So you can add hearts, circles, stripes, whatever you want to put on your cup. I'm going to add hearts to mine, so I'm going to take some of these pink markers out, and I'm going to get started decorating. Thanks for joining me. I hope you had as much fun as I did making these cardboard cups. Remember, you can make more of these, potentially for a tea party, with any cardboard tube you have at home. So if you have paper towel tubes or toilet paper tubes, you can use those to make these cups. Just make sure to have a parent make those cuts for you so you can fold over the flaps to make the cup. If you'd like to see more Sprouts Crafts in the future, make sure to hit subscribe here on YouTube. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Tewksbury LIB. I hope to see you next time, and enjoy your tea party. Cheers!